Are you looking for the best 3D printer under $500? In this video we will look at some of the best 3D printer under $500 on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Official Creality 3D Printer. The official Creality 3D printer, specifically the Ender 3S1 model, offers a range of advanced features to enhance the 3D printing experience. One notable feature is the auto bed leveling, facilitated by the precise and dependable CR Touch. This technology ensures bed deviation data is accurately gathered by touching multiple points on the bed, enabling seamless bed leveling and significantly reducing associated challenges. In terms of precision, the Ender 3S1 stands out with its double Z-axis screw mechanism. This system utilizes dual Z-axis and dual bar wire linkage to mitigate printing deviation often seen in single-axis printing. Consequently, this design enhances the accuracy and stability of the printing process, resulting in high-precision prints. The Ender 3S1 also features a proximal extruder, a self-developed component, ensuring smooth filament extrusion, adequate discharge, and improved stability. The design promotes straight-line extrusion, minimizing filament folding and breakage, contributing to the overall printing efficiency and quality. Number 2. Creality Ender 3S1 Pro 3D Printer. The Creality Ender 3S1 Pro 3D printer boasts a range of innovative features that enhance its capabilities and user experience. The inclusion of a high-temperature nozzle constructed from durable brass sets this printer apart, allowing for printing temperatures of up to 300 degrees Celsius. This versatility enables compatibility with various filaments such as PLA, ABS, PVA, wood, TPU, PET, and PAR, expanding creative possibilities for users. One standout feature of this printer is the spring steel pay magnetic build plate. This component facilitates strong adhesion of printed models and accelerates heat bed heating. The build plate, made from resilient materials, offers durability and flexibility, allowing for easy model removal post-printing through a simple bend. Enhancing user interaction and accessibility, the Ender 3S1 Pro incorporates a 4.3-inch touch screen with support for 9 languages. This feature optimizes the user interface, making it user-friendly and efficient. Additionally, an automatic dimming function after 3 minutes of inactivity contributes to energy conservation. Complementing the interface is an integrated LED light that illuminates the printing area, enabling clear observation of printing details even in low-light conditions. Number 3. ANYCUBIC Photon Mono 2 Resin 3D Printer. The ANYCUBIC Photon Mono 2 is a state-of-the-art resin 3D printer designed to provide users with a high-quality printing experience. It offers several notable features that make it a compelling choice for both beginners and experienced 3D printing enthusiasts. One of its standout features is its 6.6-inch 4K Plus HD monochrome LCD screen with a resolution of 4096*2560. This impressive screen allows for the display of intricate model details, making it ideal for creating miniature models with precision. This screen sets it apart from FDM, fused deposition modeling, printers and makes it a great choice for those looking to upgrade to an LCD printer. The printer incorporates an upgraded light turbo matrix light source, which ensures a stable and uniform parallel light source. This feature effectively reduces layer lines and eliminates grid lines in the printed models, resulting in more vivid and smooth model details and surfaces. Number 4. Flashforge 3D Printer Adventura 3 Pro. The Flashforge 3D Printer Adventura 3 Pro is an advanced 3D printer designed for both beginners and enthusiasts, offering several notable features and functionalities to enhance the 3D printing experience. One prominent feature of the Adventura 3 Pro is its glass build platform, which has been updated to a heated flexible build plate with 100% genuine borosilicate glass. This ensures excellent flatness, preventing edge curling during the printing process. Auto leveling is another key feature, making setup easy and convenient. The build plate comes pre-leveled from the factory, and users can initiate 3D printing simply by following the touchscreen prompts. The printer is equipped with a built-in HD camera, allowing users to monitor the progress of their 3D prints remotely. This adds a level of convenience and flexibility to the printing process. Number 5. ELEGOO Resin 3D Printer. The ELEGOO Satin S 3D printer is an advanced resin 3D printer designed to provide a faster and more efficient printing experience. It features a high-quality 9.1-inch 4K HD monochrome LCD with a resolution of 4098 x 2560, significantly reducing the printing time per layer to just 2 to 3 seconds while preserving intricate details of the original models. Additionally, the low energy consumption and reduced heat emission enhance the longevity of the mono LCD by up to 3 times. One notable advantage of the Satin S 3D printer is its larger build volume, measuring 196mm 122mm 210mm, 7.71 in 4.80 in 8.26 in. This increased printing volume enables the fabrication of more extensive and complex structural parts or multiple smaller 3D models simultaneously, thereby boosting printing efficiency. Moreover, the printer offers exceptional printing accuracy, thanks to its matrix light source comprising 54 UV LEDs emitting an optimal and uniform 405 nm wavelength light beam. This feature ensures the production of sleek and delicate surfaces for 3D printed models, along with highly accurate printing sizes.